Hi, on my old channel, or the channel I got kicked off of, I made a video that was 5 facts about waterfalls. So, I decided that I couldn't let my viewers go without knowing the true facts about waterfalls. Fact number 1. Waterfalls actually run up. The water doesn't actually fall, it rises. So I guess you could call them water rises. Not really. Fact number 2. Waterfalls hate baseball. Fact number 3. I once peed in a waterfall. Fact number 4. Waterfalls need to inject Cool Whip into themselves to survive. It's just the way that life works. Without Cool Whip, waterfalls die. So, fact number 5. Waterfalls pirate DVDs and sell them on eBay in the little spare time that they have. It's a horrible thing, I know. But anyway, that's 5 facts about waterfalls. Go subscribe. Press the yellow button. That way. It's that way. To subscribe. Or go check out our channel. We have lots of other videos. Bye.